Jess recently started a business producing cosmetic products made from natural ingredients. She wants to advertise her products by distributing bags of samples in her neighborhood. She calculated that it takes her 2 minutes to prepare each bag. How many hours, it's interesting, they give us minutes here, now they want hours. How many hours will it take to prepare 1,200 bags of samples if she asks 7 friends to help her with her work? So the one thing we could think about is how long would it take her to do it by herself? So it takes her by herself 2 minutes per bag, and then we have 1,200 bags. 1,200 bags, not 12 bags, 1,200 bags. 1,200 bags, which means it's going to take her 2 minutes for each of the 1,200 bags. Well, that's 2 times 1,200 is 2,400 minutes. Now, that's if she was just working on it by herself, but she's got 7 friends. And we can assume that they would all take about 2 minutes to prepare each bag. Now, this is a little bit tricky because you might want to divide this by 7, saying, hey, we're going to have 7 times as many people. But you remember, she asks 7 friends, so there's actually 8 people involved. There's Jess and her 7 friends. So it's actually going to be 8 times faster than if Jess did it by herself. So we're going to divide it. This is if you only had 1 person. If you're going to have 8 people, you are going to take 8 times less time. So with 8 people, it's going to be 2,400 divided by 8 is 300 minutes. And we're almost done, except for the fact that they asked for our answer in terms of hours. So 300 minutes is how many hours? Well, you have 60 minutes per hour. So you could say 300 minutes, I'll just write min for short, divided by 60 minutes per hour gives us 300 divided by 60 is 5 hours. So it will take Jess and her 7 friends, a total of 8 people, 5 hours to prepare all of her sample bags.